So you're about to embark on a remodel project and you're wondering, how can I reduce my stress during what could be a really stressful time? Well, here's 3 ways to do it. Number 1, make sure that you complete your design for your project and order all of your materials before construction starts. You want to make sure you're crystal clear on exactly what you want for the job and the materials are on hand and ready to go. The second thing is, make sure you stay away from low budget, low quality contractors. It's really important to hire the right professional because item number 3 is, you don't want to be micromanaging your contractor. If you've done step number 1 well and your design is complete, and you've done step number 2 well and you've hired the right pro, your pro will ensure that your project ends perfectly and to your utmost satisfaction. More tips like this at kbcrate.com.